My name is Maarten van Leeuwen. I'm Group Managing Director, so I'm the CEO of Alvey Group. We are basically systems integrator, where most of the stuff that we supply we make ourselves. We're specialized in palletizing systems and distribution systems, logistics systems, and we have our own software. So we do turnkey solutions for the industry, primarily the food industry, but there are some other industries that we serve. In terms of overall themes, of course, what we want to do is to show people the overall Alvey Group activities, for which we have the videos on the screens. And then there's a number of points of attentions. The first one is, as you've seen, we have a motorbike here on the stand. This is not really advertising, this is sponsoring. This motorbike team in turn sponsors cancer research. So we have a social awareness within our means. And this is what we want to show, so that's why the motorbike is there. The second point is we have quite a competitive modular pallet conveyor system, and we show a small piece of it here. And the third part, and that's the most exciting part, is EvoLink, which is our electronic card, which is totally Industry 4.0 application, where we put the intelligence right near to the conveyor with all the advantages of Industry 4.0. We are a little bit unique, let's say, in Europe, because we offer integrated palletizing systems. Integrated palletizing systems mean that there's a central system that palletizes all or part of a factory, rather than having a palletizing solution at the end of each production line. The advantages are numerous. First point is that if you palletize, typically you need wooden pallets and other consumables. This is very often not compatible with the production environment of our customers, where hygiene is obviously of a prime point. By putting a centralized system, we can remove it away from the production line, so that we have a separate environment where wooden pallets are much less harmful. That's one part. The main part, though, is cost of ownership. So once the system is in place, the cost of ownership is a fraction of what local systems would do. And this in terms of manpower and maintenance and all these things. EvoLink technology is one of the first systems now in the market. There are some others, but let's say this is now the first full-fledged system where truly and uniquely we put the intelligence right at the components. This has many advantages. It means that the components programming is local, is on the conveyor, let us say, and it means that the system becomes plug and play. There's no overall program to be written. There's, let's say, traffic rules to be applied, but the programming happens once and for all. This means that we can go much faster in terms of installation time. Installation time is expensive for us, but it's also expensive for the customer, and it's very disruptive. So we can reduce the time on site by, let's say, 50%. Alvey is a small company and we have to remain humble, but we have a number of things that stand out. First of all, our passion for safety. Safety and well-being is a central theme in Alvey. Our passion for customers. We have a limited number of customers with whom we are working, in most cases, more than 30 years. So we have a passion for customers and for our products and for their product and for quality. We're also a truly uniquely European company. It doesn't matter who calls us from which country, they will get the same pricing and the same service, the same guarantee. So this is also quite unique. And finally, we have the centralized palletizing system, like I said. We have EvoLink, and we have our own Maestro software. We are a company who works on the long term. We don't focus on the short term. We focus on the long term, and the long term is multiple years. Our strategy is therefore to continue to service our customers in the best way we can, to improve our systems, to improve our ISO systems, and above all to increase our service business. Our service business is fast growing. That's a strategic objective. And EvoLink and Maestro is something that we're going to put on the market according to our plans. A company has only one asset, and that's our people. So we're very happy that we have extremely good people, but we see the market is getting tough. It's no longer companies deciding whether or not a person will join us. It's very largely a case where employees have to be convinced to start working with us. So I think this will be the main challenge for companies in the near future.